Who's the good-looking girl that he's with?
Yeah, there's a cute girl here. Who's that?
I don't know.
You don't have a guess?
Huh?
What cute girl would be with him?
I don't know.
She's cute.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah,
It's you.
it's you.
Yeah,
It's your wedding day.
right.
Nice.
There. So there.
So there. You thought he had another girl on his apron, didn't you?
Yeah. I saw.
No, I don't think he's got any other girls on his apron.
I don't have any other girls.
What would other girls want with an old fart like him?
Nah, he's my guy.
He's your guy.
Yeah.